Going to question 13 now, starting with the prompt like always. Which choice most effectively uses data from the table to complete the statement? And what's the statement? Over the past 200 years, the percentage of the population employed in the agricultural sector has declined in both France and the US, while employment in the service sector, which includes jobs in retail, consulting, real estate, etc., has risen. However, this transition happened at different rates in the two countries. This can most this can most clearly this can be seen most clearly by comparing the employment sector in both countries in which 2 years, because we're seeing pairs of years. So now going back into this, we're seeing that agriculture has declined in France and the US, while employment has risen. However, this is happening at very different rates. So we're looking at the two declines in agriculture from France to US from 1 year to the next, and the two increases in service from 1 year to the next. And we're looking for them to kind of both do the same thing, but at different rates. Very, very tough and difficult question. Now, the pair of years that ends up working is this one right here. Let's take a look. From 1900 to 1950, agriculture is declining 43 to 32 and 41 to 14. So it's more severe in the US. It's a bigger deal in the US. The decline is bigger. And the service sector in that same time is rising, like the paragraph said it would. But once again, it's more severely rising in the US. 28 to 35, that's 7. 31 to 53, that's a bigger number, 22. So 1900 to 1950 are the 2 years where we're seeing, like we said, agriculture declining, employment rising, but at different rates, both more intensely in the US. And the answer here is A.